Hello everyone, as promised, I said I was going to do an unboxing. Sorry about the lighting, it's quite light out today. Of my new, well, I don't know if it's brand new, but it's a special edition Fitbit Versa special edition, and it's going to have a purple strap on, which I'm quite excited about. So the next time you'll see me, I will be unboxing the product. It's a Fitbit one, by the way. But yeah, see you in a little. I don't care! Right then, hello everybody. As promised, this will be, hopefully you can see the packaging that come on today. So I'll be undoing it. Sorry if it looks a bit skew-whiffed, as I haven't got my mount with me. But we'll undo it anyway. See how we get on. So I'm going to undo it now. Ooh, what's that? Oh, by the way, this come with it. I have no idea what this is, but if you could tell me, it's got like a little bell in it. That's really cool. I didn't even know it comes with it. But hey ho. Right then. Comes in like a bubble wrap. Let me pick you up. It comes in like a bubble wrap. If you can see that. Right then. I hate it when they put bubble wrap and stuff. It's so hard to get into the actual product. We in? Yes. Right, put that to one side. Right, I'm going to lift you up now, guys, so you can see what the box looks like. So basically that's what the box looks like. On the back, on the side, it says Fitbit, and it shows you like music, heart, messaging. I don't know what that is, something to the wireless reading or something. And I've got the lavender woven band, black classic band, and a rose aluminium case. So that's it on the front. Fitbit Versa special edition. Tells you what it does, wallet-free payments, call, text, calendar and app alerts. I bought a new one because my one broke, so yeah. Includes small and large wristbands. Right then guys, let's get into the unboxing. So as you can see, there's like a, wow, my hand looks massive. Wait there guys, just, better? There we go. Perfect. Right here, it's a tab. So what you do is, I've just ripped the box. So basically you undo it. So there's a little tab here. See the tab? So you undo this tab, which I'm gonna do for you. There we go. And then you just slide it out. And there's the box. I really like the box. I've never had a box like this. I'll lay it down for you. And then you open the box and ta-da! And there's the box. It's really pretty actually. Let's get it out there. Get this move that to one side. Actually, we'll put that to one side and I'll show you what's in the box. So you get the instructions, Fitbit Versa, shows you a lady wearing it, running, checking for notifications, shows you how to plug it in. There's the charger and how to install it. Also, what you get in the box is, ooh, yeah, I like these. So you get different wristbands. You get the purple one, which is already on it. The rose gold's really pretty actually, and the different size bands. And I'm just going to pause here because the lighting is really poor in here. Right, that's better. Now I can see what I'm doing. Right then, you've got the charger. The lead's quite long actually. It's longer than the one I had. It's very long. And that's basically it. Get back to the watch. So there's the watch. Take it out of the... I do like this band. It's really... It's like... Right then. This is what we've all been waiting for. It's the SMR. What you all like. So I've never actually done this before. So here we go. I don't know if I'm doing it right. I'm not. Sorry guys, this is the first time I've done something like this, so just bear with me. Right, that's it. I hope I haven't broken it. No, it's lovely. Right, there's the Fitbit. I'm going to turn it on. I don't know if it's got any charge in it. Oh, I think I'm pressing the wrong button. It's always good to read instructions, guys. Right, I'll put that down and let me just look at the instructions on how to turn it on. Sorry about this. I'm sure, I think it's got power in it. Oh look, here's some at the back. Let's take the plastic off. No, we'll forget about that. Right then, I'm going to see if I can switch it on for you. Will it turn on? Please turn on. I think it needs charging. I'll be right back and then I'll switch it on. See you later. Right guys, I'm charging it now. You can see it more better here. It's dead at the door now, so I'm going to leave it on charge and then when it's finished I'll get back to you. See you in a bit.